What's up, guys? It is your favorite fab girl, Honey, and I am back again with the back again. And today I am trying Chili Chews. Chili Chews. I have been seeing this Facebook advertising on my Facebook. I've been seeing the ads on my Facebook, and I was just like, damn, let me try this. So I ordered two. I ordered the mango belts, and I also ordered sour watermelon. I ordered these items on September 9th, and they delivered on September 18th. Honey, I was sweating that tracking number. I was sweating that shit. So when I instantly got them, I definitely went on and threw them in the refrigerator, because they do say because it's hot outside, you know, they may melt or whatever. I just took these out of the refrigerator, and Lord have mercy, they seem a little stuck together. However, let's just get into the packaging, okay? Packaging reads Chili Chews sour watermelon here, and on the back it says taking your taste buds on a roller coaster at Chili Chews, www.chilichews.com. I want to try the mango belts first because I'm feeling real mango-y. So you all are about to catch my very first reaction to these Chili Chews. I feel like they're gonna be great. Oh Lord. Yep. Oh man. Can y'all see that? They're all melted together. I could like during there take the whole thing out. Okay, let's see. This is a little depressing. Depressing because dropped one. So let's see, Ooh. Say what? So I don't like the fact that it looks like this. You definitely get the chili kick, but I'm just sad that they're like toe up like this. But they do send out a disclaimer stating that this will happen. So can't be disappointed. I did get the disclaimer. So it's good. Bubble that back up. The mango flavor, you do taste the mango. You also taste like that chili seasoning that they have on there. Not quite sure what this seasoning is. I did read one review, and someone has stated that it was like some type of, I guess like Mexican seasoning. I don't know. So now I'm gonna open up the sour watermelon. I can't continue to eat that simply because I don't like the glob. The glob turns me off. And then here are the watermelon sour watermelon. And these are all, so I think what I'm going to do is let them unthaw a little bit to come back to them. And they're all globbed together too, but I think these are a little bit easier to pick apart. Oh my God. These are sour and that chili kick. I'm tearing up my face. How do I feel about it? How do I feel about these? How do I feel about these? I would have to be high, stoned, to eat these. And I don't even smoke. Whoa. But I think a stoner would enjoy these. So, I guess I'm just not a big fan of that chili seasoning. I'm going to find out the name of that seasoning. But on a scale of 1 to 10, I give Chili Chews a... Yeah. I mean, yeah. So, I'm gonna try some more things, some more foods that come across my Facebook. I will try them. Chili Chews. Thanks. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.